How to fix Outlook error a dialog box is open. So sometimes you may encounter this error right here for Outlook. And then what you need to do is that you just need to do some different things to go ahead and fix this problem. The first thing that you need to check is that you need to check your taskbar right here. And then sometimes if you have multiple tabs open, they will appear right here. So for example, I create a new email right here, and then now when you go to the taskbar, you see two instances of Outlook open. So you can just go ahead and close the dialog box that is open right here so that you can fix that error. Now, if that still doesn't fix the error, the next thing that you can do is that you can use the Alt Tab function in your desktop. So in your keyboard, you can press the Alt key and then the Tab key at the same time. And then that will show all of the windows that you have currently open. So from here, if you see like the dialog box is open, you can go ahead and click the close button right here. And then if that still doesn't work, what you can do is that you can go to the task manager and then you just need to close all instances of Outlook that is open. So to do that, you can right click on your taskbar, click task manager. From here, you can use the search bar right here to search for Outlook. Then you should see all instances of Outlook open right here. And then when you do that, you just need to click end task, and then that will delete or end the task of all Outlook instances that are running. So if that still doesn't work, you can use the run feature right here. So I can go to search, type in run, and then what you need to type is Outlook/safe. So this will force Outlook to open in safe mode, and then hopefully that will fix the error that a dialog box is open. So from here, just click OK, and then now you should have Outlook open right here in safe mode. And then if that still doesn't work, what you need to do now is you need to find the updates for Outlook. So you can go to file right here, and then you can go to the office account. So maybe you are using like a old version of Outlook. So what you can do is that you can go right here to Microsoft 365 and Office updates, and then you can go ahead and update your Outlook version so that you can fix the errors. And then if that still doesn't work, you can try using the repair function of Microsoft 365. So you can go to the control panel, you can right click the windows, and then you should see control panel right here. So let me see if I can see it. So if it's not here, you can just go ahead, go to search, type in control panel. From here, go to programs and features, and then find Microsoft 365. So just type it right here in the search bar. Then from here, go to Microsoft 365, then click change. From here, click yes, and then you can go ahead and choose from quick repair or online repair. So that will fix Microsoft 365 for you, including the Outlook application. Then you can just click repair and then wait for it to finish. And then that is basically it. So those are the things that we can do to fix the Outlook error that says that a dialog box is open. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.